Hello, I'm Ben. This session may be recorded and its confidentiality cannot be guaranteed. Please, do not share personal or sensitive information. How can I assist you?
Hi, I have an urgent problem. It is sort of an emergency for me. Can you help me?
It sounds like this might be urgent. Are you facing an emergency that requires immediate assistance, or do you need to contact someone right away? Let me know which it is, or if it's something else.
I forgot. I forgot to punch out at the end of my shift yesterday. Are there any repercussions?
If you forgot to punch out, don't worry, this can usually be fixed. It's important to correct that missing punch as soon as possible. Your timekeeping records need to be accurate, and fixing it promptly helps avoid any issues with your pay. Would you like step-by-step instructions in the employee self-serve portal for correcting the missing punch?
Are you 100% sure that I won't get in trouble?
Yes, I'm sure. Correcting a missing punch is a common situation, and there's a clear process for it. You'll need to submit the correct time and a brief reason. This helps ensure your timesheet is accurate and avoids any payroll discrepancies. If you'd like, I can provide a link with step-by-step instructions from the employee self-serve portal. Just let me know if you'd like that.
Yes, I need to fix it ASAP.
I've shared a link on your screen with step-by-step instructions for correcting a missing punch. Click the link below to open step-by-step instructions in the employee self-serve portal. Let me know if you need any more help.
Oh, I see. I see it now. Great. Yes, it looks familiar to me.
Glad you can see it. If you need any more assistance or have other questions, feel free to ask.
Yeah, I have one more question quickly. I don't usually use my car for work, but I had to use it recently. It is confusing. Do I get reimbursed?
Yes. If you used your car for work-related travel, you can get reimbursed for mileage. You'll need to record the miles in the payroll system. Make sure to enter the mileage daily, including any mandatory work events, and round to the nearest whole mile. Commuting from home to the office isn't reimbursed, but miles between the office, patient homes, and business sites generally are. If the distance from home to a work site exceeds your normal commute, you can claim only the excess. Would you like step-by-step instructions in the employee self-serve portal for entering mileage?
But what is the company's policy? And where can I find it in case I need it for the reimbursement approval?
Sure. This falls under the Employee Handbook, specifically the section about timesheets, timekeeping, and mileage records. The policy outlines that all employees must complete electronic mileage records each pay period. It details that you should enter mileage daily, rounding to the nearest whole mile, and record miles between the patient homes and business sites. Commutes between home and the first or last stop aren't reimbursable, except when the route is longer than your normal home distance. Then only the excess miles can be claimed. If you need more details, you can always check the official policy document in the Employee Handbook or in Policy Tech. Let me know if you'd like any more assistance.
So, how do I submit the mileage? I went to our employee portal, but could not find a form to submit my car travel expenses.
To submit your mileage, you'll enter it into the payroll system. You log into the employee self-service portal, go to the time management section, and select the correct date. Confirm the pay code is set to mileage, and then enter the total miles you traveled for work that day. Once you add the units, it will save your mileage entry. If you'd like, I can provide step-by-step instructions from the employee self-serve portal to help guide you through the process. Would you like that?
That would be wonderful. Ben, I appreciate your help so much.
I've shared a link on your screen with step-by-step instructions for entering mileage. Click the link below to open step-by-step instructions in the employee self-serve portal. Let me know if you have any other questions.
Thank you so much. You are my hero, Ben.
You're very welcome. If anything else comes up, feel free to ask. Take care.